case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1991, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case Harmelin v. Michigan, which centered on whether a mandatory life sentence without parole for a drug offense was considered cruel and unusual under the Eighth Amendment. The case began when a man was given a life sentence without parole for possessing cocaine and argued that this punishment violated the Eighth Amendment, as it was both cruel and unusual and disproportionate to the crime. Moreover, he claimed that the judge had no power to consider the specifics of his case. Initially, the Michigan Court of Appeals overturned the conviction due to a violation of the state constitution, but later upheld the sentence. The Supreme Court then heard the case and found that a life sentence without parole can be unconstitutional if it is grossly disproportionate. However, they made it clear that the Eighth Amendment does not require proportionality, but merely prohibits cruel and unusual punishments. The court rejected the argument that a proportionality principle should be applied to all cases, though they acknowledged that such a consideration could be applied in extreme cases. In the end, the Supreme Court affirmed the Michigan Court of Appeals judgment, ruling that mandatory life sentences without parole were not cruel and unusual punishment under the Eighth Amendment, even when mitigating factors were not considered. The court emphasized that individualized sentencing is only required in capital cases, and noted the possibility of retroactive legislative reduction and executive clemency in such situations.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.